We are Rolling Video Games, the factory, and we constantly build these trailers for people. And occasionally we get a pre-owned trailer. Now this is a new trailer, but you'll see that the pre-owned looks pretty much the same. So let's just do a little tour of what a new trailer looks like. It's nice and shiny. We put your phone number on the side, and then the back, they all have these ramps. And then the graphic on the back is this nice graphic that shows people what's on the inside, and you can easily just pull it down here and take a look on the inside. And they all typically have the same configuration of 4 TVs, 4 Xboxes, 4 PlayStations. This is a pre-owned unit, but when we sell something pre-owned, it looks like new. It's almost brand new, basically. And so we give you a discount typically of $15,000 off the price, and you can get pre-owned unit. You can see how much room is back here. You've got a lot of room, big aisleway. You got 6'2" or 6'1" guys can stand in there no problem. And here's another pre-owned unit just to give you an idea of what we have. These are the ones that has the awning package with the 2 TVs on the outside, which typically people want. And this kind of gives you an idea of pre-owned versus brand new here at the factory at Rolling Video Games.